Today is our last day on the trail. We're packing out. Got our big boy backpacks back on. And I think it's gonna be about 3 or 4 hour hike back to civilization. We're still going to hit one more peak. We're heading towards Mount Jackson. That's the plan. We've been lucky so far with the weather. It hasn't rained, even though the forecast said it would. So we've been lucky. We'll see how today goes. Well, the worst thing happened. I twisted my ankle and we just started hiking. So we still have about 4 hours of hiking left to do with a twisted ankle. Good luck, everybody. I suppose it could have been worse. I suppose I could have broken my leg, or like, I don't know, a bear attacked me like in the Reverend. But this is just a twisted ankle, so we should be okay, maybe. Let's see how this goes. And now I have to stop every time I have to vlog. The worst. We're almost at the top of Mount Jackson. Almost made it. Whew. My ankle is holding up okay. I think we'll be okay. Please going up. Dennis. You can see our hut over there. That's where we came from. It's kind of insane, but we've gone through all those peaks yesterday.
Point out the sharp one.
Sharp one, I think. My finger is so big. But I think that's probably Monroe. But I've been wrong about Monroe before, so can't make any promises here. Alright, so we made it to the top of Mount Jackson. The views are super pretty from up here. And this is our last peak before we start heading back down to the parking lot. Hopefully our car is still there. We got to feed some birds on the top of this mountain, which is super cool. So yeah, let's see if my twisted ankle can make it down the mountain. Let's get going. Well, we're about halfway down the mountain and I twisted my ankle again. Yep. My ankle is not having a good time on this trail for sure. And the descent has been so brutal. It's super steep, it's all just rocks. Super duper brutal. Can't wait to make it out of this trail. We came out of the woods.
And there's the road.
There's the road. We see civilization. We're alive. We're alive. We just need to find our car. We found our car. Yay. We're all safe. We're driving back. We don't actually know where we're driving because there is no reception, but we're safe, and it started raining as soon as we got to the car.
So perfect timing.
Perfect timing. Yep. Let's recap. How do we feel about this adventure?
Oh my god. It was great.
It was great. No, it was really great. It's just bad luck that I twisted my ankle on the last day, but we made it out and everybody's safe, so it's all good. Overall, the views from the presidential ridge were really, really cool. Really beautiful mountains. The huts were kind of interesting to stay at. The food was really great at the huts. I think I missed all the dinners, but I did film a little bit of breakfast, so I'll try to insert that footage in somewhere in the vlogs. And yeah, overall, if you're staying at the huts, make sure to bring some cash because you can buy snacks and buy t-shirts and things like that with cash. And they have free earplugs, which you might need because it's really loud there all the time, and it's really loud there when you're trying to sleep. So keep that in mind. But overall, they're really nice. The bathrooms there were decent, especially for staying somewhere out back. They were basically luxury. And yeah, the food was really great. So good trip. Now it's not the end of the day for us yet. It's almost 3 o'clock and we're driving to Boston. We need to return our rental car and get into our hotel to finally get some nice hot shower that we all need and love so much. Well, we made it to Boston. We managed to return our car. We actually got to the rental place about 10, maybe 8 minutes before it closed down. We checked into a hotel, we took a shower, we got some dinner. Life is good.
Sushi, we got some sushi.
It was good. Yep, so tomorrow we'll be exploring Boston. I'm super excited for that, and I'll see you then. Bye. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I don't know. I'll see you.